Hey guys, so I have a long wait here. I'm waiting for a 4 hour candle to complete. This one started at 4 o'clock. This one started at 8. It's going to be done at 12 at noon. It's almost 10 right now, so I got 2 more hours pretty much and some change. Um, this position's open, and then I got the Euro CHF position, which is like a lotto ticket. But back to this USDJPY. The only reason I'm still in this is I have a 382 fib and I have a 50 EMA that I'm expecting a reaction from, as you can see right here. I'm expecting it to hold and keep us in this trade instead of us, falling victim to the 1% and getting stopped out here. I'm still trying to see how it's going to act there, and I think that we could be okay. We might not, but we could be. And so I'm waiting. We're about halfway point, so I would lose 0.5% at this point. If I were to stop out of this, this is a lesson in a couple things overall. Mostly, really knowing that you have strong support for a position, and that can be a saving grace. We'll see how it plays out, but ultimately, I overtraded a little bit here. I will say that. But it doesn't mean that the trades were bad. I just needed to be a little bit more. Um, there's the best, and then you can take the best of the best, right? And that's the difference. That's my growth edge. That's where I get better. That's where I get to where I'm an extremely dope trader. Is understanding what that is and being able to hit it time and time again. So yeah, we're all here to get better. So it is what it is. All right, guys. Peace.